is a Bobst 2003 SP104E. That's 2003 year. It is a one-owner machine. I believe it's just run one shift. It's in very nice condition, well maintained by the people, the staff here. It has stripping. They've replaced a couple of the vacuum. I think the main vacuum and the main blower pump. You can just tell by the pictures when you see them in this video, the condition of the machine is pretty good. We're running a job here on it right now, so we'll go ahead and do a little demo here and walk around and show you the features. There is this little light table here included. This is the stripping jig. You put like a blank sheet on here and you move all your pieces. There's a lot of different hardware for that. This whole rack is full, top, second shelf, and then there's more down here on this shelf, and more below, and more below that even. So lots of stripping tooling. I'm running I think it's like a crease, a couple of creases and a couple die cuts right now. The pile fed feeder. See a little bit here from the end. We'll go do a little side shot. And then here to the register table. And then here's the feeder going in. It does have a setup so you can do alternating gripper bars if you want to have more spacing between each die cut, each impression. A little harder to see the actual die cut here, but we'll try and get close as we can. This is I'm inside of the die station right now where you put the new die in. You can hear it's nice and quiet machine, smooth operation. This is where you put your die in. And then this is the stripping setup. So you can see as the sheets go in, the holes disappear. If you look closely, when each sheet comes in, it's complete. And then it pushes out the scrap below. The conveyor underneath, which you can kind of see down there, the pieces disappearing behind to the back of the machine. It does have, it's set up for vacuum, removal of all the blank strips, so on and so forth. The switch on top is for the conveyor. This is the control panel here, controlling the machine. Go ahead and go towards the delivery here. A little side window coming out. See the delivery here, bringing out the finished work. See if we can get a closer look. There's the finished work with the holes and the creases put in. If you watched our Bobst folder gluer video, after these have been trimmed down on the saber that's in this auction, they're running these on the folder gluer to fold them over. I think it's a rotary fold, they said. They're rotary folding these into that finished product we used in the Bobst media folder gluer video for this sale. That's kind of a demo here. I'm going to go ahead and keep rolling, just show you some of the accessories that go with it. So the duct work from the blue piece up will go with the baler, but everything from the blue connector here down to the machine is included. That's where the suction's coming. Oh, you have a back access window here for the stripping, kind of a better angle. Sorry for the noise, that's all the paper scraps going away. The back side of the machine. Well, they did actually have a custom modification here. There's a push down fan in the delivery and they added a variable speed control to the fan. This die rack here, die cart is included. This shelving here. Oh, you got books and tooling and a toolbox for the machine. There's a die cart there, die lift. Obviously, there's a catwalk along the side of this Bobst. Again, there's the stripping and blanking setup, and I don't think we can get a video of it, but there is a honeycomb die with a chase that goes to this machine. It's kind of stored under the catwalk, so we'll try and get a photo of it for the we're doing the photos. But again, 2003 Bobst SP104E, stripping and blanking, nice condition. If you want to stick with me for another minute here, I'm going to go show you the way out of this place, because obviously it's a heavy machine. The removal can be important. So this room's got about, I believe, about 12-foot clear ceilings. We'll double check it. At least 10 could be good for any rigging forklift. There's plenty of room here behind the machine to bring a lift in for removal. The out's pretty straightforward. I'll do a full video on the removal outs here, but we'll go ahead and do this one real quick while we're on the Bobst, since it's one of the heaviest, probably the heaviest piece here. So after you pick it, you just come out here and then you have multiple loading options. Hopefully this door cooperates. Yeah, I'll put the specs in there, but I believe it's at least a 10-foot high door. And then into here, you have a 14-foot high ground level door there. You could drive outside, or you could bring a flatbed inside this room to load inside. It's a large room, plenty big enough to bring a truck in. Alternatively, you have 3 loading docks with dock levelers right there if you want to go straight onto a truck with it. So 2 options, dock level or 14-foot high ground level door. It'd be tight back in a semi here, but you could do it if you wanted to load inside. That's about it for our Bobst.